How's it going, everybody? This is Jose from the Stock Market 101 channel, and I hope you guys are having a great day. And if you guys haven't checked out my previous videos, I suggest you go check them out real quick. And let's get right into the video. 10 of the highest priced stocks that trade on the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ. First, I want to go over how the share price is calculated. So, first off, how is the share price calculated? A company's worth, or its total value, is called its market cap and is represented by the company's stock price multiplied by the number of shares outstanding. So for example, a company whose value is estimated at 100 million may want to issue 10 million shares, right, at $10 per share, or they might want to issue it at 20 million at $5 a share. After a company goes public and starts trading on the exchange, its price is determined by the supply and demand for shares in the market. Basically, just because the stock price is higher than another stock price doesn't mean that that company is worth more. So let's get right into it. Alright, at number 10 on our list is AutoZone. This company is basically an American retailer of aftermarket automotive parts and accessories, and it's the largest in the United States. And as you can see here, it has a market cap of 20.4 billion, a PE ratio of 15.9, no dividend yield. And let's look at the performance by using the graph. So for the day, it's actually up 1.94%. And for the week, it's up 2.18%. For the month, 8.64%, which is really nice. And for the year, it is at a 44% gain, which is awesome. And 5-year, up 85%, which is decent. And at number 9 is Cable One. Cable One is basically an internet and cable service provider, and it has a market cap of 4.7 billion, PE ratio of 18.5, and it actually has a dividend of 0.92. And let's check out the performance using the graph. And today it's down 0.37% so far. And for the week, it's up 0.42%. For the month, up 15%, which is insane. And for 3 months, 28%. A year, at 11%. And 5 years, at 115%. And as you can see, the price is right there is $834.68 so far. And for the next one, you can see here it's White Mountains Insurance. It is a financial holding company which engages in insurance, financial services, and related sectors. And it has a market cap of 2.95 billion. Doesn't have a PE ratio, a dividend of 0.12. And let's look at the performance real quick. As today, it's down 0.35% so far. And for the week, up 0.92%. For the month, down 1.68%. 3 months, up 2.55%. And for the year, 6.49%. And for the past 5 years, it's been up 66.48%. And as you can see, the price is at $924.69 so far. And the next one on our list right here is Alphabet. And basically what this company is an American multinational conglomerate. It was created through a corporate restructuring of Google and became the parent company of Google and its subsidiaries. And as you can see here, it has a market cap of 847 billion, PE ratio of 51, no dividend yield. And let's look at the stock performance so far using the charts. And right now, today, it's down 1.76%. And for the week, down 3.29%. For the month, down 2.31%. For 3 months, 4.88%. For a year, up 28.25%. And for the past 5 years, up 110%. And as you can see, the price is at $1,197.06. The next one is Markel, and it's close by Google. Google might pass this one up soon. As you can see, they're really close by. And basically what this company is, it's a financial holding company for insurance, reinsurance, and investment corporations around the world. And it has a market cap of 16.79 billion, a PE ratio of 44.19, no dividend yield. And let's look at the stock performance using the charts real quick. And as you can see it right now, it's down 0.46% so far today. And for the week, it's down 0.67%. For the month, up 2.08%. For 3 months, up 8.98%. For the whole year, up 15.5%. And for the past 5 years, up 132.29%. And as you can see, the price is at $1,203.25. And let's move on to the next one. And the next one on our list is Booking Holdings. And basically what that is an online travel company which provides travel and related services. And as you can see here, it has a market cap of 93.2 billion, a PE ratio of 34.68, no dividend yield, and let's look at the performance using the graphs. So far today, it is down 1.4%. For the week, down 0.27%. For the month, down 5.3%. Past 3 months, down 9.74%. For the past year, 2.14%. And the company just was introduced to Robinhood at this time. And the next one on the list right here is Amazon. And basically Amazon, it engages in the provision of online retail shopping services. As you can see here, it has a market cap of 980 billion, a PE ratio of 161.84, no dividend yield, and let's look at the performance using the graph. So far today, it is up 1.35%. For the week, 4.43%. For the month, 11.72%. For 3 months, 21.93%. For the past year, 109.13%. Jesus Christ. And for the past 5 years, up 616.39%. And as you can see, the price is at $2,039.78 so far. And for the next one we have here is NVR. NVR basically engages in the construction and sale of a single-family detached homes, townhouses, and condominium buildings. And as you can see here, it has a market cap of 9.39 billion, a PE ratio of 17.10, no dividend yield actually. And let's look at the graph for the performance. And as you can see here, it's down 0.43% today. For the past week, down 1.56%. For the past month, down 0.98%. 3 months, down 12.16%. For the year, down 1.81%. And for the past 5 years, it is up 208.76%. And as you can see, the price is at $2,656.87. And for number 2 on our list, it is Seaboard Corporation. Seaboard Corporation is basically a diverse transportation conglomerate. In the US, it mainly engages in pork production and ocean transportation. And internationally, it engages in commodity merchandising, grain processing, sugar production, and electrical generation. And as you can see here, the market cap is at 4.31 billion, PE ratio at 29.87, and it has a super small dividend of 0.14. And let's look at the graphs. And for today, it is down 0.94%. The past week, down 2.28%. For the past month, down 1.58%. For the past 3 months, down 8.99%. The past year, down 16.68%. And for the past 5 years, up 35.33%. And as you can see, the price is right now at $3,650. And finally, for number 1, we have Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire Hathaway is a holding company which owns a bunch of companies such as Geico, Dairy Queen, Fruit of the Loom, and etc. And owns stakes in Apple, Bank of America, Coca, and much more. And as you can see here, the market cap is at 519 billion, PE ratio at 10.97, no dividend yield, and let's look at the performance using the graphs. As you can see today, it is up 0.31% for the past week, down 0.1% past month, 2.52% the past 3 months, up 9.99% the past year, up 17.18% the past 5 years, up 88.19%. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Let me know in the comments if you guys actually own any of these stocks. Let me know if you guys want me to add any of these to my paper trading account so I can show you. And please leave a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and I'll see you guys in the next video.